Hi there and welcome to ASA Corp. Our organization has been providing online support to the computer service industry for around 12 years now, and our top-tiered technical engineers have the ability to promptly identify and rectify any computer issue you may have, making the experience fast and affordable. Now, we all know just how frustrating operating a poorly functioning computer can be, especially if you're relying on it for your income, right? Well, you can just relax. You're in good hands. You now have a team of experts with combined experience totaling some 55 plus years to getting your machine functioning at optimum performance the way it should. And the really good thing is, you don't have to unplug anything or leave your computer at a repair workshop. Our technical engineers will do everything that needs to be done right there online while you watch, which means you won't have a technician invading your home or office space. How good is that? By following the simple instructions below this video, you will have your computer issues and concerns attended to within minutes. After engaging in a brief online chat with support staff involving questions and answers, you can optionally make an appointment to have your computer serviced. Depending on the urgency of your situation, you will have an opportunity to jump ahead on the appointment board queue and be next in line. Your appointed technician will explain the procedure, and you can witness the time involved to complete the work as the expert goes into action. Viruses, Trojans, pop-ups, printer issues, registry cleanup, and full computer tune. We cover the lot. We also have hosting plans, dedicated servers, domain name registration, cloud storage, domain transfer, disaster recovery, and reseller services for home-based business operators and corporate businesses alike. So you now have peace of mind knowing you're dealing with a legitimate, reputable computer service business that has been serving the industry for over a decade. Simply follow the directions below this video to the service best suited to your needs, and you won't have to pay an arm and a leg or be waiting for days.